everyone's dismay, the inspection team from the Department of Agriculture discovered that these trees were infested with insects and their seeds, protecting them from the arrows that normally included in these trees were being destroyed. It wasn't until March 1912 those cherry trees were replaced. 3,020 cherry trees, 12 different varieties arrived in Washington. In a simple ceremony, First Lady Taft and the wife of the Japanese ambassador planted 2 cherry trees in the north bank of the Tidal Basin. In 1940, the cherry blossom pageant was born. On December 11, 1941, 4 cherry trees were cut down in a suspected retaliation for the Japanese attack against Pearl Harbor. The exact reason for the vandalism was never substantiated. In the hopes of preventing future damage during the Second World War, the trees were referred to as the Oriental Flower.